Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everybody. It is a great opportunity for me to be here together with all creative teachers all over Malaysia. Well, I am norfarhanaSS binti Fazil and I am teaching in SMK Tengku Ampuan Intan, Kuala Berang, Terengganu, which is quite a rural area. Okay, I am going to teach literature component Form 3, which is around the world in 80 days. That is a text for Form 3 students, and they are going to use the text to answer their questions during the examination in PT3. So my level of students, they are Form 3 intermediate class. Okay, as my school is one of selected schools in that district, so most of the students are good. They have a good proficiency in English, so they are able to speak quite a good English in their English classes and also together in their outside of the class. Okay, so let's carry on. Teaching literature is quite a dull and a tiring thing that a teacher might face every day. Or maybe sometimes when you teach in secondary or primary school, since they have included this in our syllabus, so teachers have to be very creative in creating something that students will very interested or eager to know, or they are going to be aroused with what teacher are going to introduce in class. So therefore, I would choose this novel in order to get students to engage with the plot of the story and also the character and get to know all the lessons and also the moral values that included. Okay, so this is a stage of presentation. For the activity, students will make predictions as to what might happen next in the story. So my targeted skill is knowledge construction. For learning outcomes, students should be able to predict what will happen next and dramatize the scene. This is a very interesting activity as students were very interested to show their talent to their friends. Okay, now here is the learning activity description or the steps. First, students are given clear instruction whereby they are assigned themselves in 5 groups with multiple intelligence, and they delegate tasks among themselves. So teacher will provide pictures, and then each group choose a picture about an event taken from the story. So they choose which that they discuss among their group members and choose which one they want the most. Okay, and then they will analyze the picture and predict what will happen next in the story. So they have to come up with something else. So what will happen next? Okay. Next, each group member will choose a character and prepare scripts for their role play. That means every member of the group should have a character or maybe a role to be presented in their own video, or they are going to dramatize afterwards. Okay. So this is to make sure that everybody work together. They work interdependently. They share their ideas together with their group members, leaders, and maybe they also can go to the teachers as their tutors and ask questions. What will happen next? Okay. Then each group will dramatize the scene and record. As you can see, some students they are afraid to say something out. But then, with the help of the teachers, with the help of the friends as a group member, okay, they will have more confidence in delivering the dialogue and scripts and so on. Okay, I have done this with my class for Form 3 students, and they were enjoying it very much. As you can see, they can think of extraordinary actions, which is I also cannot. I don't think I can deliver it well as what they have done. Okay, so as a conclusion, this is a student-centric activity whereby the students will have to work interdependently. That means they work together, they come up with the script, they come up with their actions and so on in predicting and creating a video of what will happen next in the story. So they will be very eager to know what's going to go on next. I think that's all from me. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Cikgu.